Okay, I just wanted to give a basic guide to using the whiteboard, or as we sometimes call it, the Smartboard. Now this is being recorded on my computer, so it's not perhaps as authentic as having a real demonstration when you're actually using the whiteboard, but this does at least give you some of the basics of the navigation, and I'll try to explain where the differences are between doing it on a computer and using it in real life when it comes up. But this will at least give you a sort of a general overview of how to use it. So this is what you will see when you're using the Smartboard. You know, the big white area obviously in the center is the Smartboard itself. Down the left hand side you've got your different whiteboards, and you can open more than one page, so you can have multiple pages open at the same time. And across the top here we have got the various icons which show the various functions and features of the Smartboard. Okay, at the very basic level, obviously the one thing you'll want to do is just write on it. What you'll do in the class is you'll pick up a pen and you'll write on it. Here I'd have to sort of use a pen like this and something like that. Not very convincing, but that's the basic idea. And then, you know, the other thing you can do next to the pen on here, you've got the select tool, and then you can select anything that you've written on there and do basic things with it, like make it smaller or make it bigger. You can delete it, or you can copy it and put it another one and paste. So you've got two of them. And so that's the basic operation there. If you find that you're having trouble selecting something, it may be simply that you haven't clicked on the select tool at the top. So if you're trying to select an item on the Smartboard, maybe a picture or a piece of writing, and it's not happening and something else is happening, then just remember to click back to the select icon, and then this will enable you to select the item on the screen. Okay. And yes, if you want to erase anything, you can use the erase tool. Actually, again, on the Smartboard there is an actual eraser which you can pick up and use, but here I'm just using this to show you how it looks, but in reality you would pick one up and use that as well. Okay. If you want to create a new page on the Smartboard, maybe you fill this page and you want to create something new, you just go to the sort of white page plus icon up here, and there you go, you've got another page, and you can either type on that. Here I'm just typing on my keyboard, or you can use the pen tool and write on it as well. Okay. And then on the left here, when you've got these two pages, you know, you can move them around. Again, here I'm doing it with the mouse, but you can also do it with the your fingers when you're actually using the Smartboard as well. Okay, so that's basic navigation. It's the basic way of writing on the board, creating new pages, and moving between them. Okay, it's very, very simple. Okay, in future videos I'll explain a bit more about what you can do with this.